how to lower photos resolution on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the picture gallery. Then open up a photo that you want to lower the resolution. So for example, this one right here. Now the current resolution is 3000 by 4000. To lower the resolution, you want to tap on the edit button or the pencil icon at the bottom here. Then we go to the top and tap on the more button and tap on resize. Here select a lower resolution. So we got 20%, 40, 60 or 80%. So I'm going to choose the smallest size, 20%, then tap on done. Then tap on the more button and tap on save copy. If I go back here, you can see with this copy, it is now only 109K in size with a resolution of 600 by 800. And that's it. That's how you can lower photos resolution on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Here you can see with a lower resolution, I can only zoom in so much. However, with a higher resolution, I can zoom right in with extra details. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.